Hi, I'm Nicole, and this is Nadia.
And we are the Valley Relocation Team.
Hi, I'm Nicole Walters with the Valley Relocation Team, and today I'm here to introduce you to our new listing at 26 Selkirk Street in Petawawa. Come on in and let's have a look. This is a perfect first-time buyer's home. With 3 bedrooms on the main level, a full bathroom, plus a half bathroom in the basement. Lots of room for entertaining in this home, with a family room, a rec room, plus a bonus room. If you'd like to book a private viewing, please contact me, Nicole Walters, at 613-401-2045, or my partner,
Nadia Party at 613-401-2308.